Hello, my name is Edgar Guzman and I'm going to talk about lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing, often simply lean, is a production practice that considers the expenditure of resource for any goal other than the creation of value for the end customer to be wasteful. Essentially, lean is centered on preserving value with less work. Lean principles come from the Japanese manufacturing industry. The elimination of waste is the goal of lean. And Toyota defined three word types of waste: muda, muri, and mura. Muri is all the unreasonable work that management imposes on workers and machines because of poor organization. Mura then focuses on how the work design is implemented and the elimination of fluctuation at the scheduling or operations level, such as quality and volume. Muda is then discovered after the process is in place and is dealt with reactively. It is seen throughout variation in output. The original 7 muda are transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overprocessing, and defects. Transport consists on moving products that are not actually required to perform the processing. Inventory, all the components, work in process, and finished product not being processed. This really is the lean manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Robinson Perez, and the topic that I'm going to talk about is the three main types of waste, which are muda, mura, and muri. The first topic is muda. Muda is a term of Japanese origin. Muda refers to unproductive waste and not value added. Muda defines the other 7 wastes. The 7 wastes are transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. They reflect the necessary parts in the production steps. After muda, we have mura. Mura is too a term of Japanese origin. Mura appears in the times when the normal workflow is interrupted due to irregularities in the process, either of the machines or production programs. And finally, we have muri. Muri involves stressful conditions for workers and machines, as well as the work process if a newly hired worker is assigned to the task of a veteran worker. Not given enough training before the job is stressful for him, and this person mainly slower in the work and never can make as many errors, which lead to increased muda. In the field of engineering system, we must take into account this waste in the programming of the machines responsible for performing the task of production, and in the same way train user of them, such that the production more effective to achieve the goal of elimination of waste. This is all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Josué Peña and I am going to talk about a process diagram and relation to the creation of a software. The process diagram gives us a clear perspective of process with every steps, including time and materials. In the same way, the programmers have a document called DERCAS. DERCAS is an engineering methodology in a software that defines the important steps for the analysis and the development of the project. DERCAS creates a table that assigns a time for each function dividing by categories: easy, medium, and hard. Also, for each function assigned the number of programmers to work in a software. This document is a backup for the developer and customer, and we can see that DERCAS is a process diagram in creation software.
Hi, I am Monica Rosales and I am going to give you a brief definition of the 5 S's and how can we use it in science and systems engineering. As we know, the 5 S's are mainly used for keeping our workplace clean and organized. This will increase the efficiency of the service we're providing. The 5 S's principles are sorting. This tells us we have to keep in our workplace only the things we need. Straightening out, we have to have everything in its place and have a place for everything. Shining, to have our workplace neat. Standardizing and sustaining the practice means we have to be consistent with these practices and make of each one of them a habit. If we, as science and systems engineering, use the 5 S's method as a guide, we will obtain many benefits because we will get rid of everything we don't need, including distractions. This will help us to concentrate in our work and work faster. We will have everything on its place and have our offices or desks and our computers clean, and also give maintenance to our computer. This will reduce the risk we have of having little problems that could cause us breakdowns in the future, and also reduce the waste of time searching things we need. This will help us to create good quality software and reduce the delay of delivering our work. Thank you for your attention.